ball.
Yeah, that's not the right line. He knows that he's getting the ball to swing back a long way.
Shot.
And then he has just smashed that through the offside. It's well played. That's the kind of player that he is.
This time it's Shazib. It was too full.
If I just get enough bat on it. Nobody back on the offside. Hit myself a boundary. That's well played.
And he will keep hitting boundaries. He just makes it look so easy, effortless.
Minimal foot movement, but look where he's hit the ball. He's made sure the ball's gone right under his eyes and then just opens the face to get it through the gap.
Wow, that was hit hard. Good that...
Over. Being dispatched through the offside. This is too full and straight. And back past the bowler.
Again, upish in the air, but just passes the awakened area. You just get a feeling that it is getting stuck in the surface a little bit because that catch that was dropped.
Yeah.
Finds a gap. That's a nice looking stroke. Entices a big shot. Does it have the distance?
The fielder saw it late. He started running later. This was a big opportunity. Went begging. Just look at that.
And he goes for it once more. Nails it better this time.
It was right from the middle of the bat. It was in the arc this time. Not a very good delivery.
Way too short. And in the gap.
It's not an easy shot to play off the back foot. Flat six. Straight down the ground. One of the shots that require most power.
Nicely played.
And you can see in the body language of the fielders now.
Get it!
Return catch. Taken.
Very good delivery. Lots of revolution on the ball. He played it too early.
Picked up. And this will just race away for his second 50.
Easy pickings. You got that fine leg in the circle. Why would you bowl that?
Oh, he just gets rid of that left leg and another boundary.
Even the first ball with the fine leg up, he bowled it on the legs, and this was easy pickings once again. The mentors. That's a boundary.
Could be out. He's out, caught.
He just hit a boundary, but this time he's found the fielder. He's hit it straight down his throat. It's a good catch taken by Basit. You don't want to drop. We've seen a lot of those in this tournament.
This one was sliced past Zishan, who was in the circle.
There's never any way that he would have chased that down. Going hard at it.
This one sliced away to Zishan. He takes it.
Trying to go hard at it. I understand that they're trying to finish this off, eyeing better run rates, but yes, there will be moments where he'll have to probably cost a wicket or two.
Gone with the slow ball. And he gets the results.
It's the slow ball. And just held on the surface. George Thomas threw the shot before the ball's there.
Was there an edge? Was there an edge? He believes so.
Zishan doing the job that the captain needs him to do at this stage of the innings. He's tried to get himself out the way. And it's just brushed the glove, I think, on its way through to the keeper.
Up and over, as you called it. One bounce into the boundary line. That strike coming at the right time.
In that change room now. Good shot, length ball, opened the face.
Goes for the lofted drive and nails it. That's a delightful stroke to end this match number 7. It's the wicketkeeper, Dawood Nazar. Dawood Nazar and Abbas Ali both had different plans. The captain with a nice partnership at the end, 20 runs between these two, ensuring that there was no crisis.